Bagley, Minnesota. Just going to go over how to clean out the chimney tea here when it gets full of ash. You'll have some ash that collects in there over time. I think I've gone probably 2 months or longer here without cleaning it out. I just got done cleaning out the heat exchanger, which I have done a video on that previously if you want to check that out. So on this tea here, you just need to open up the clamp, pull it off, and see how full we are back here. It still has probably pretty good airflow up to the tea, but it's probably halfway restricted right now. So it's a good time to clean it out. This tool here, I have my my trash can here for collecting the ash, and normally I would hold it right up to it, but since I'm holding my phone, it's going to be a little messy probably. So wear a mask. Just pull it out into your can. I don't mind wearing a mask for something like this. This is what they're for. So yeah, good clean chimney there. See, it's sucking the air up there, drafting pretty well. The stove is running right now. I do have it running in just in the standard way with the bypass down right now. It is going through the heat exchanger right now as well. So I'm just going to clean up this little bit of ash here. You should wear gloves with this. I am not right now because I'm making a video. Okay, then we'll just put our cap back on here. Okay, and I'll put the snap ring on after I'm done making the video. If you have any questions about these CleanFire models here or any other WoodMaster products, give me a call at 218-779-2439, located in Bagley, Minnesota. Website is bisonridgellc.com.